everyone, welcome to another video of C++ programming for beginners. So in this video I'm going to show you how to check an integer whether it is a prime number or not. So first of all, we'll see what are actually meant by these prime numbers. A positive integer which is only divisible by 1 and itself is known as a prime number. That means a number to be a prime number, two conditions must be fulfilled. First, it has to be greater than 1 and it must have only two factors, that are 1 and the number itself. Suppose we have 5. When we get the factors of 5, it has only 1 and 5. 5 is also greater than 1. So all the conditions are fulfilled so that we can say that 5 is a prime number. But when we get 4, it has 3 factors as 1, 2 and 4. So that we cannot say that 4 is a prime number. So now let's see how to check a user given number whether it is a prime number or not using C++.